Want to send a clickable link in Gmail? In this quick Gmail tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add and send website links in your emails using the Gmail app. First, copy the URL or website link that you want to share. This can be a YouTube video, a web page, or any online resource. Next, open the Gmail app and tap the Compose button to create a new email. Enter the recipient's email address and add a subject line for your message. Now, tap inside the email body and paste the copied URL. Once you paste the link, Gmail will automatically recognize it and turn it into a clickable link. Double-check your email, and when everything looks good, tap Send. That's all there is to it. The recipient can simply open the email and click the link to visit the website directly. And that's how to send clickable links in Gmail quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more and productivity tutorials.